I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're unsure about your data usage on your Otwo plan, follow these steps to check it easily. Step 1. Log into your Otwo account. Visit the Otwo website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you can access all your plan details. Step 2. Navigate to My Account. Once logged in, find the My Account section on the dashboard. This area contains all your account information, including data usage. Step 3. Select Usage. In the My Account section, look for the Usage option. Click on it to view your current data usage and limits. Step 4. Review your data usage. Check the details displayed on the screen. You should see your current data usage, any rollover data, and your monthly allowance. Step 5. Set up alerts option. If you want to avoid exceeding your limit, consider setting up usage alerts. This can usually be done in the settings section of your account. Keep in mind that sometimes the data may not update in real time, so check back later if you just used a lot of data. I hope this helps you keep track of your Otwo plan.